everybody, Mr. Waffles here, and today we're playing a modded survival series with which is Spawn, and joining me today is Jordan28 and IWNL Triced.
What's up, guys?
These ads, someone help me get rid of these dumb ads.
No, dude, just get an ad block. Just get an ad blocker, Bob.
Yeah, okay, boys, can you just ignore these ads, because I'm trying to fix my computer these days, and these ads have nothing to do with me, okay? So these are some incredibly inappropriate stuff. It has nothing to do with me.
Please, brother.
Yeah, David, stop killing people. David's a serial killer. Not, totally, not a joke.
David also has garbage connection.
Yeah, he does have garbage connection. He's not a serial killer, boys. I'm just joking. Please don't.
He's an epic piece.
Jordan, I have a pet. You want to... Jordan, follow me upstairs.
Okay, how do you throw rocks
Bro,
again?
when you turn your max volume on, here's sounds.
Who wants to get thrown at? Who wants to get thrown at by a big rock?
Me. No, not me. Okay, boy. Yo, Jordan, close the door. Don't let him out. Yeet. Okay, it's closed. Don't worry, boy. Look at stink bug. We have a stink. Bro, now we have nausea. Great job, David. Great job. Great, very great, very great, very great. Oh shit, he's killing people.
Stop messing up the house. Stop messing up the house.
Oh, David has the ultimate pickaxe. David, stop cheating stuff in.
No, I didn't. I got an emerald pickaxe before, and then I thought you said I could cheat, could get something else. The emerald that's silk touch in it. Can't mine any equals silk touch. Jordan, give me that emerald sword, because I found that. No.
David, you're not allowed the ultimate pickaxe and ultimate. Bro, I thought you can cheat something else in. I didn't say like I had never said you can cheat something else in. And even if I did, why that? Because that's like that's the best pickaxe in the game. And emerald pickaxes are garbage. They're not garbage. They're just not as good.
Then can I have a diamond pick?
Yes, you can have a diamond pick. So that's more reasonable than an ultimate pick, the best pickaxe in the game. Smart. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1 is quick math.
No, Jordan, you're not getting it.
Jordan.
I'm not joining back. I don't care. Alright.
Jordan, please don't let Jordan go. David, stop. Just stop, man.
Dude, it's not my fault.
Jordan, get over it. Stop being babies. You're both like 13 years. Okay, David, you get out of op.
No, I'm getting the pick, and you say, can I have a pick?
Jordan, here, you can.
That's the emerald sword. Experience sword. That's very creative. Nope. Alright, then I'm gonna leave. I'm never gonna join back.
Bro, I advanced, okay? You boys just have to get over it, okay?
No, I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay, you're de-opt? No, gonna go.
Stop killing us.
Yeah,
You're literally holding out your sword and running to me. What do I think? So annoying.
Okay, stop. Okay, just both stop. Okay, someone's opt. Okay, there you go.
I'm not opt.
Okay,
no
you're not.
opt.
Yeah, well, you were opt. I can sense it. Okay, I have this sense of feeling. No, totally not. The game makes totally not. It makes me can't break anything and make my life miserable. That totally doesn't happen.
Nope.
David,
Okay.
Jordan, get over it. David, just don't be a dick.
David's pooping. Nobody likes David. That's something you should learn, viewers, guys. Nobody likes David.
It's not true. I like David. I like David. Roasted Jordan. What are you gonna do? Okay, boys, we're gonna have a pet shark. Okay, let's go. And I'm known for making bad decisions.
Shark.
What?
Oh, where did you get the shark?
You have this thing called, okay, if you find these like ores, they're called ancient dried terrible terrier. Okay, no, they're called ancient dried stuff, okay? And then you mix it with a water bucket, they can spawn any entity. I have some Godzillas right now. You want some?
No, don't.
Exactly. That's what I thought. These are only Godzilla shards though. So like, yeah, I can't spawn Godzilla. The mighty one. The god. The mighty. And oh, okay, we have a flying shark in our house, and I cannot contain him. Help me.
What?
Behind you, David. Behind you.
You're dead.
He's a pet shark, bro. He's a pet shark. I like him. He's cute.
Oh my god.
So cute.
Don't kill it. Don't kill it.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. I have another one. Don't worry. I have another one. Don't worry. Kill him. Okay, boys. We need. Okay, boys, I need someone to Dave, I need you to cooperate with me, okay? I have only 2 more of these, okay? I need to go get a water bucket and then make a spawn egg, okay? Jordan, someone help me, okay? In order to contain him, as soon as I place him, you put a glass, okay?
Okay, I need a glass though.
I have a glass. Don't worry, I got you.
I should probably do it because my Wi-Fi isn't, potato.
Okay, hey, David. As soon as okay. Yeah, I need to come.
Hold on. I'm gonna come. One second.
In 5, 4,
No, let me do it because I have better Wi-Fi.
Okay, you both do it. Okay, I don't even care.
No, lead, Jordan, lead. Go
No,
away.
you both do it. I don't care. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yo! You're both bad. Oh my god.
I went through the glass.
Oh my god. Did not go through the glass.
It's gone. I killed it.
Okay. I only have 1 more, boys. We have to contain him. He's cute. I have an idea. If we
I'm gonna break a hole. I'm breaking a hole and putting glass here. Jordan, what did you do? Jordan broke the glass.
Don't worry, boys. Don't worry. Wait, does anyone have any more glass?
No.
Okay.
Guys, kill me, guys, kill me.
Why?
Can I have my emerald sword? Sure. Thank you. Give it to me. Just throw it up. Nope.
Okay, everybody just chill.
This one.
Okay, everybody just stop. Okay, no more killing each other. Be more peaceful. Stop, David, Jordan, stop at this moment. Okay, I'm not a kindergartner. Okay, I'm not a teacher. Okay, I'm not gonna kindergarten both of you. Okay, that's totally how you grammar.
That was self-defense.
I have an idea.
That was you killing me first, buddy. Dude, what the hell?
Okay, I have an idea. If I put a slab, all I have to do is just put a slab there, and then I can.
Guys, guys, I'll put a thing. I'll put glass here.
No, I'll just make a slab. Don't worry. I'll just make a slab. Boom, done. Okay, 3.
We could do it that way.
Boom, done.
Go through the slot.
Oh shoot! He can't fly through the slab. He can't. No, guys, stop! David, don't kill him. Don't do it, David. He'll just be a part of this house. Okay? He'll just be part of the. Okay, kill him.
Kill all of us.
Fine. Okay, fine. You want to be such a big potato? Fine. I'll just spawn a terrible terrier. Okay. Let's try to.
Don't spawn a shark that can fly, Bob.
Oh, okay. Stop calling me my real name. No, I'm joking.
Hey, Waffle Banana Man.
Wow.
You need booty sauce on your
These ads are disgustingly messed up. Some of them are messed up. Some of them aren't. Please, someone tell me how to fix these waffle ads. Okay. Okay, stop killing each other at this moment. Stop.
I was just mining trees and you just came.
David, stop. Okay, David, stop. David, I'm not a freaking waffle, okay? I am a waffle, okay?
Waffle Banana Man. Shush.
I am a waffle.
Shush.
Okay.
No, I'll put glass. Glass, you can. It's better to see through. Okay.
Yes. No,
2.
David, you obviously can't place anything because you always miss, okay?
Yeah. No, it's not me.
This is the last chance I give you. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! We contained the lizard! We did it! We contained a flying lizard! Look.
That was different. You couldn't even contain the cloud shark. I would be talking.
We got him, boys. We got him. He's a cute little boy.
Alright, I'm gonna move away.
I wonder if he grows up.
Wait, Jordan's moving?
David, don't do it. Replace it with glass. We need to replace some of this stuff with glass.
I know.
I have an idea. Here, I'll lead him here. Look, he's out here. Replace the glass. Replace it with glass. There's some sand in there. Replace it with glass, quick. He's on me. He won't. He's too scared to be escaped. Replace some of the parts of this cage with glass. Don't we? It's cute. We have a little lizard now. He's a little lizard. Isn't he cute? Tapito. Oh, well, now we have a baby little lizard. John, are you proud of us?
Yeah, I think where did Jordan go even? Yes.
He went to another dimension. His mind of thought of get spicy vectored is in another dimension.
Wait,
He's
is he actually gone?
no, I have no clue where he is. So let me check. No, he's in the game.
No, I mean, where is he? Is he in another dimension, or is he like?
No, his mind of thought is ready. His mind of thought's way above us.
I am in yes.
He is in the age of yes. David, I have a fun present for you. Davito, pasito.
Ice cream tigers. Fucking dumbass.
We're gonna get freaking demonetized. Hey, no, okay, I spot him for a reason. Okay, first of all, he can't one-shot all of us, and he's killable.
We can't sleep because he's.
No, look, he's low. He's low. David, come here and fight with me. David, and when he dies, he drops really good stuff. When he dies, he drops really good stuff.
Bro, you just launched.
David, he's in creative. David's in creative. I can't look.
Not creative.
Bro, David, stop. We have to fight that boss. David,
I'm
stop.
not creative anymore. I'm not even creative anymore.
No, we can't believe that. Yes, you are. You de-op yourself at this moment. Look, me and Jordan both can't leave this room.
Bruh.
De-op yourself, David. David, de-op yourself.
Wait, hold on. Oh, look, there's a brown ant right there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No, it's a horrible idea.
I did it myself, guys. I did it myself.
Okay, open the goddamn door, Jordan. Get out of here, Jordan. Get out. Okay, that's what I thought. Boom, done. What did he drop? What did he drop? What did he drop?
And then titanium nuggets. Nice.
Yeah, I told you. And that can be used to make the ultimate sword. That's why I helped the community and totally did it on purpose to make everybody die. Totally.
Bruh.
A brother.
Spawn another one. Bob, spawn another one. I want to kill it. No creative now, okay?
Okay, sure. I only have like 2 more, but okay. A brother. We should get an infinite water source. Everybody make an infinite.
How do I make it, Bob?
You have to get an ancient dried dinosaur. You have to go mine for like.
I have one.
What's it called? Ancient dried what?
Ancient dried T-Rex spawn egg.
Okay, now you get a bucket of water and then just place it right beside each other and then you're done.
Where's the bucket of water?
Yo, boys, who wants to fight a basilisk?
Me? I don't know what that is, but let's go.
No, remember that giant? No, David, remember that giant snake that guarded the place?
Spawn it in, Bob.
Remember that place where you got the ultimate sword and there was a giant snakes there?
Is that it?
Yeah, that's like one of the biggest bosses in the game. Okay, I'm the.
Spawn it in. Spawn it in really far from the house. I don't want it to break.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, done. Fuck, we're fucked.
Oh wow. Oh shoot, he regens so fast.
Yeah.
He regens so fast, guys.
He's a giant. No, he doesn't. He doesn't even regenerate. What do you mean?
No, hit him once and then he regen all his HP back.
No.
Alright, now I'm at full.
No, he's at the same health. What do you mean? He's still at the same health as you hit him. He never regenerated. What do you mean?
David, I need my emerald sword back. David, I need my emerald sword back. Nah. Yeah. I'm the one with the golden apples, man. Bro, yeah, because you killed me when I had the golden apples. Well, I killed the golden apple cow and I had that.
Yeet him, boys. I told you it was a bad. Oh, I hit him once. Bro, every time you hit him once, he loses like. If we all attack at the same time, he can't hit all of us at the same time.
Oh, I hit him like 3 times. He's so annoying. It makes me so slow when I go near him. I hit him. I just block him.
Yes, it works. It works. Totally works.
I hit him 3 times. Oh, turn your FOV like all the way up. So when he gives you slowness,
It's like normal. It
yeah,
turns you
like nothing ever happened.
almost.
I'm already on Quick Pro.
Yeah, I'm always on Quick Pro.
Why would you be on Quick what?
I'm always on Quick Pro. It feels much better.
Oh my god, it's so annoying.
I told
Do
you.
you think he gives us real good stuff?
Yeah, he drops like just stars of stuff.